So guys, welcome to another video, and today we're going to be making carrot juice, and not just carrot juice by itself. I'll include other vegetables because it's the way I like to drink my juice, mix and match, although I'm not matching anything, but I am mixing stuff. Why did they say mix and match if you're not matching anything? Interesting. Anyway, we're gonna get started, but before we do, don't forget to like this video because it helps with the YouTube algorithm. Algorithm that nobody understands. It pretends like they're the experts at, but they have no idea if actually liking the video helps or not. Well, it doesn't hurt to like the video, and I really appreciate it. Even though you haven't seen this video and you don't even know if you're gonna like it or not, but it'd be kind of nice, Think of it as a donation of a thumbs up. For charity, which you won't be able to deduct off your taxes, but you're fulfilling my heart, and that's what really matters. All right, let's get started, guys.
Engineering improvements give you a huge 17-inch rectangular screen in this wonderfully compact new Westinghouse set. And it gives you a black glass tube, which means that you get a clear, sharp picture even in daylight. Now, this set also has a built-in antenna, and that...
All right, guys, there's a book that I need to grab, and it's right here. It's called The 150 Healthiest Foods on Earth. The 150. There's only 150 according to this book. It's pretty insane. See what we find, guys. Look at that. Chicken nuggets. Just kidding. There's no chicken nuggets in there. Almost fooled you guys, didn't I? I love carrots. All right, let's see what we can get from this book. Probably gonna get some really good information, some valuable information. Some information that's probably gonna change your life for the better. Why? Because you're gonna make a juice, you're gonna make the juice that I'm about to make, and you're gonna feel healthy, you're gonna feel better, you're gonna be like, yeah, carrots. Carrots are they're the, yeah. All right, anyway, you've probably heard good things about beta carotene. Haven't we all? Probably not your son who's like in kindergarten because they're still learning like their ABCs and learning how to tell time, but like a lot of people have. I don't even know why I went there. All right, but that's only one of about 500 members of the carotenoid family. Man, I want to be in that family. It must be one of those families like I'm just kidding. I know what they mean. Relax. Some research suggests that other carotenoids may be even more important. High carotenoid intake has been associated with a decrease of up to 50% in bladder, cervix, prostate, colon, larynx, and esophageal. Cannot say that word because I feel like I might get like blocked or censored or something now. Nowadays you get censored for everything. So in other words, carrots are good for you. And we're gonna get started. We're gonna go make this juice. You're gonna like it. You're gonna like the way you look, I guarantee it. But that doesn't make sense because I'm not selling suits like Men's Warehouse. Never mind. Let's go get started. All right, guys, the juice is done. We're gonna mix it up. All right, I'm stirring it up. When I was making the juice and I put the lime inside the machine, that aroma that came out, so good. 100% know this juice is gonna taste good. That lime just gives it like, I don't know, it gives it a really good flavor. Like if you're drinking some kind of like, not lemonade, but it just tastes really good. Oh, this one tastes amazing. This one's really good. You guys are definitely gonna like it. I use, how many carrots did I use? Probably like, maybe like 10 carrots. I use celery, you guys saw that, and half a lime. Nice and easy, man. And this just tastes phenomenal. Had to finish the whole thing. So good. You guys are definitely gonna like it. I know you guys are gonna like it. It's carrots, celery, half a lime. You can get that at any grocery store. Try to get organic if you can. Anyway, this juice was really good and it has so many health benefits that, you know, anything that's healthy is gonna help you boost your immune system. It's just like common sense. If you're healthy, you got a healthy immune system, you're not gonna get sick, especially here in the US that we're starting to enter winter pretty soon. We're gonna enter winter pretty soon. And a lot of people are gonna stop receiving vitamin D and they're gonna start getting sick. So what do? Well, yeah, we can take a vitamin D supplement with K2 and vitamin D3 with K2. And we can also juice vegetables because it's good for you and it helps you feel great. It also helps with your skin, your bowel movements, your eye vision. So many benefits, guys. It has so many benefits. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and don't forget to research the whole chicken nugget thing because there might be some truth to that, you know? Just kidding. All right, I'll see you guys on the next video. Please don't forget to share it because I'm pretty sure if you share it, my channel's gonna explode and then we're gonna reach 100 million subscribers. Wouldn't that be something? I'll probably be the first channel to make it to that. I don't know, PewDiePie, I think PewDiePie has a lot of subscribers, right? Who's number one? I think it's PewDiePie, right? Something like that. It's like, can you imagine getting 100 million subscribers only watching juicing videos? That'd be pretty insane. I wouldn't believe it. I wouldn't believe it. Actually, I wouldn't believe it. It's kind of like unrealistic. Anyway, but yeah, I do want more people to like to latch onto these videos. I'm extending this too much. I'm starting to ramble a lot. Ramble. You know, I should have been a rapper. I would have gone against Eminem. You know, I would have been like, palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy, there's vomit on the sweat. All right, I'm gonna stop now. Yeah. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys on the next one and God bless. Peace out.